sleeping on me. Make a song without me.
You want to make sure you start off with fully saturated hair. That's why I had the spray bottom. So if your hair is not fully saturated, go ahead and saturate your hair. It makes your hair much more manageable when going to apply this low bun. Secondly, I go in there and I try to get a straight part. So that's why I'm looking at the mirror. I'm going in with some moisturizer now, just to moisturize my hair. This makes my hair much more easy and manageable. As you guys see, I'm trying to get a precise part here. So I'm just going to go back in and try to repart it. Because when you're wearing a low bun, you don't want your part to be crooked. Because the part is something that's really like one of the main focus points when having a bun in your hair. After that, I'm just going to detangle my hair just to make it more easy and manageable when going to apply this low bun. And again, my part needs to be right, so I'm going back in. Just fixing it just a little bit. I'm going in there with my favorite Eco Styler gel. It's the black castor oil. Prior to applying this gel, you just want to make sure your hair is already detangled. So that's what I'm doing right now at this point. As you guys see, I'm only going to apply this gel to my roots. Because when I go to brush it, it's going to work itself down to my roots all the way to the end. I'm just going to do the same thing throughout my whole entire head. I'm just going to apply it to my roots, and then I'm going to brush my hair down. As you guys see how this Eco Styler work on my hair, it's like heaven on earth, I swear. It doesn't leave no flaking at all, no debris. It just makes everything full and much more easier when I go to apply any style to my hair. So right now at this point, I'm just forming this low bun, just getting my hair to go in one direction. You never want to forget about your kitchen either. Like, that's the back of your hair. You want to make sure you do brush that, because sometimes people forget to get the back of their hair. So I just want to show you guys. And then I'm going back around to the front. And yes, y'all, this is definitely a process. I swear it's not that easy as it looks. Especially with using one hand just to hold your hair. So after I get this sleek bun the way I want it, I'm just going to pull my little baby edges out just to have a little nice little look to it. Thank God this hair tie didn't pop either, because all the other ones, they usually pop on me. So I just like to keep my bun very simple. I just flip it over like that, and then I'm going to just show you guys how I fleek these edges. So I'm going in with my favorite edge control. And then I'm using a little black comb just to shape my edges the way I want it to go. So one thing about a comb, it helps you form your edges, like when it comes to shaping them in a direction. When you just using a little toothbrush, it just helps, lay your edges down. So I like to switch it up from time to time. So I'm going in there with this sweet almond oil. I've been using this oil a lot lately. It's been treating my hair right. So I'm going to stay loyal to it. And then you want to go in with your scarf. This is like the main ingredient to this whole, recipe. This scarf is going to help lay down your hair and just to have everything looking like a complete finished look. So yes, just leave this on for 30 minutes or however long. So I'm back to show you guys these final results. As you guys see, my hair is silky straight, wavy, and popping, and these edges stayed in place. So shout out to the scarf method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's so different. She's so different. She's so different. She's so different.